It's quite a sturdy unit. Camera, just single clicks. That's front and rear. That's rear and front. So I think a definite advantage would be that I do get that remote controller, because obviously this particular unit doesn't have any buttons on the unit itself, so you kind of have to do that, and being a small screen, it's not really doable when you're moving along. Alright, let's see what's in the box. And we all have an unboxing video, don't we? There we come. It's quite a sturdy unit. Doesn't look or feel cheap. And we have the fitting bracket. And we have some instructions. Okay. I think put that on temporarily like that, so I can obviously get a bit more adjustment, but I was thinking something like that. So charging, of course, is with the USB-C, which I'd left on from my quad lock. But there's a little bit of a problem. I'll show you. The little cover thing, will that focus in? Probably not. Its little stay thingy has snapped off. So literally I did it on literally the first time I opened it. So how long it'll be until I lose that, I don't quite know. So here's the road test part of this Bluetooth controller, and I just want everybody to know on the channel that's got no catchphrase that I bought this. This is not sponsored. I'm going to be brutally honest. Okay, so let's have a quick look through it, and I haven't really played with this. Here we're on our main screen. If I press it once quickly, I'm onto Apple Maps. I'm onto Apple CarPlay. Now, what happens if I... Oh, okay. As you can see here, I'm now scrolling through, and with the OK button here, so for example this, and as you can see the icon is moving, so I can then choose my music. Okay, or go back like that, and basically move around how I want. So that's really good. If I hold it down now for 2 seconds, I am into my cameras. That's front camera, that's rear camera, just single clicks. That's front and rear, that's rear and front, and back to front. And then once again hold that down, and we're back into there. That's good, isn't it? That's good. So let's get on the road, go out somewhere. Now, I mentioned when I did the review of the Chigee that, so let's just start the engine. Now remember to take if you're using one of these systems, your phone isn't charging. So you've got to remember to, obviously, charge it in one way or another, your phone. As you can see, I didn't do what I preached because my phone is quite low. So never mind. Alright, let's get back on the road and see if how it is to use whilst moving. So I'll tell you what's quite a good idea, because I'm pulling out. Oh, you just literally touch it very lightly. That's great, that is. Okay, look at that. Now that's really good. Literally very light touches. You don't have to like engage the button. If you engage the button, I should say, that takes you then to the various main screens, which of course the main Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and of course those two main pages. One isn't a lot of use on the XR2 because we haven't got the OBD sensor thing. That doesn't work on this one. That you need the A0i5 Lite one for that, or the BMW one, where you plug something into your sensor, and that's that. So if I touch that again, literally I'm just touching it, and there's a car behind me. And if I hold this down, pronto? Mi hai chiamato? Sì, dimmi. Ciao amore. Ciao ciao. I reckon this is worth it. Yeah, it's, like I said, 78 quid, but I mean, just makes it a bit easier than sodding around here. Although, as I said, you can do everything via intercom. I actually love this Chigee. Now, I have had quite a few comments on various social media platforms saying, "Oh, it's too small. AIO5 is better, or the Aiuchi, or the." I genuinely don't want a bigger screen on this bike. It looks silly, and I can see everything. I'm not blind. So, you know, if this is what you want, this is what you want. The quality is excellent. I've obviously tested the CarPlay. This is better. And I'm currently testing a unit from a company called Lamto, which is almost like a CarPlay knockoff. And that is, you know, that's a 6.25 inch screen. It's huge, which is absolutely fine. If you've got an adventure bike and you mount it up the front, you know, in front, that's brilliant. But not for this. Not for this. This is the perfect size. I can see absolutely everything I need to see. I just love the way. One click, and I'm onto camera. Takes me a while to realise which way I'm looking though. It's actually good though in traffic, isn't it? You know, when you're getting worried about getting rear-ended by somebody not paying attention. But very light touches. Right, yeah. Front, rear, both. Ah, it's good. Perfect. So, my recommendation is, if you got one of these, or the other versions, the bigger, smaller, whatever, no, not smaller, then definitely get one of these. And also, let's go back to the main screen, get yourself those tyre pressure sensors. They're fantastic. They're brilliant. A little bit of peace of mind sort of thing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, thanks for coming along on this really shorty video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.